What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, behind me we got the sandworm. I'm Tyler. This is Mabel. She's my little foster right now. But anyways, today we're going to try something a little slightly different. We're going to off-road the truck, but we're going to do it in a POV view for you guys. And then we're going to do some fishing. But first we're going to drop little Mabel off at my dad's, so somebody can keep an eye on her because she's not 100% potty trained yet. So but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna head to the lake, do some off-roading, and then do some just relaxing fishing. All right, guys, so we made it out here to Keystone Lake, and I don't know, I'll show you in a bit when we get over there, but a lot of this is underwater that was not underwater last time, so we might be able to find some mud today. But I'm gonna get the POV set up and the drone going so we can get some drone footage unlike last time. But also, I sent an email out to the winner of the first bed cover, and I'm gonna give them about a week or two to reply, and if they don't respond, then I'm gonna draw another name. And then after I get somebody to respond to get the first bed cover, then we'll do the other bed cover, whichever one's left over. But anyways, I'm gonna get this set up, get the drone going, and we're gonna start doing some fun stuff in the truck. Okay, we got that started, so let's go ahead and see if we can do this. We're gonna put this in terrain mode, not tow haul mode. We're gonna put this in terrain mode. We're gonna turn the volume down so I don't get copyrighted. And then we're gonna go in here and we are going to go to the off-road stuff. We got the pitch and roll over here. We've got terrain. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And we are in the terrain mode. And if I keep looking over at the GoPro, it's because I'm making sure that it's following like it should. Put it in first gear since I don't have a low four-wheel drive. Four-wheel drive. Okay. It is a little muddy. A lot more. Oh shit, that was a big old bump. A lot more. Oh shit, that was a big old bump. Okay, a lot more slick when it's muddy out. Let's see if we can. We might not be able to. And we're going to use the drone to kind of check out where we're at. What I'm not going to do is break the truck, so I don't have any spotters. My drone can't go over there because of flight restrictions, so we might not just... I think I'm okay, yeah. I'm good. Now, one thing I need to do is adjust my bumper so that my tire's not rubbing when I turn left. So I'm gonna use my drone. I'm lazy, I'm gonna use my drone. Make sure there's no damage on here or anything of the sort. I don't think I hit anything. I think we're good. Yeah, we're good. Yeah. Go over here so I can oh, there goes the drone. Go over here so I can show you guys how underwater this is compared to last time. Just to put it in perspective, I drove through this last time dry. Like all that, I drove over there. There's actually a trail that goes up in the trees that I did, and I can't tell how deep that is, so I'm not going in that. But we can go find some mud somewhere else. Oh shit, see, right there. Rub. It even rubbed on this side in that time. So just so you guys know, these are 34s. People say you can fit 35s, but you hit a bump like I just did, and I don't think 35s are gonna make it without cutting. So just keep that in mind. All right, I'm gonna try to do less moving. Need to not go so hard on the truck, especially turning left is the issue majority of the time on this thing. Oh shit. Ooh. Yeah, I drove all through that last time. That's crazy. That's how much rain we got in 3 days. Mud hole over here, maybe. Nope. Also, if any of you guys have a Colorado or a Canyon, does your steering column kind of rattle? Like, it doesn't feel like anything's loose in it, but it just kind of rattles. Even on bumpy pavement, just normal driving roads. Let me know in the comments if your steering column rattles. It's kind of annoying. I wonder if it's just something that might just need tightened or adjusted by the dealer. Quality control issues. I also need to get new ditch mounts, because these ones are not strong enough to hold these KC gravity lights. They vibrate a little too much. But I might move these down to the bumper and get some smaller ones. I'm just honestly glad that my four-wheel drive is back to working after, you know, the suspension mishap, installing the suspension and messing up the CV axles. Luckily the shop did right, got it covered under warranty and good to go. But the one thing they did funny is my tire pressure is 42. They inflated the shit out of my tires. And I mean, it's rain, so the sand is kind of solid now, so you know, it works, but definitely need to let a little bit of air out if I was doing anything else. That's probably why I couldn't make it up that hill. Not enough traction, and it's muddy and slick. But yeah, I can hear this light rattling over here. I might try to fix that later. I think there's some mud back here. Some actual mud. This GoPro's in my face, so it's like I can see, but I don't have my full sight to actually 100% tell, like, hey, this is deep or whatever. Like, yeah, I can't tell how deep these things are. Is it worth the risk? Probably. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Now this stuff back here I think is pretty deep. These ruts, from what I remember, we're about to see if this one is. Yeah, traction control is kicking on. I wonder, I'm gonna turn that off. Should I turn it off? Yeah, I'm gonna turn it off. And we're gonna get, let's see, oh, I hate that I can't really turn left. I need to get that fixed. This one is deep. I know for a fact that one's deep. I'm getting the drone out, and we're gonna go back through this again. Hopefully this is a fly zone, so it follows the truck. But bear with me. I'm actually, all right, so I can't get my drone to connect to my phone's hotspot, so I can't log in to get more flight time out of it. I don't know, stupid, I guess. All right, we can still have some fun though. I don't know what that was popping up. Oh, maybe because traction control is back on. I'm gonna turn that back off. Forward collision system unavailable. I don't know why it does that. It does it so random. Random times. I just realized I left my light bar on, sitting there the whole time. As far as the truck's not dead. I spent probably 20 minutes trying to figure out how to connect to my phone's hotspot so that I could freaking log in. Because since I'm not logged in and this is like a flight restriction zone for drones, and I'm not logged in, I can't really fly further than 30 meters, which isn't very far, and it won't follow my truck from it can't go 30 meters past the home point, which is the takeoff point. So I would have to keep landing and taking off just to scoot the drone down. I don't know why it logged out on me, but it is what it is, man. I think I need to tighten this down. I've got some tools with me. When I stop to fish here in a little bit, I'll tighten it down. Oh shit. It sounds like my upper struts are loose, which is gonna piss me off because that shop, oh man, yeah, that's what it sounds like. They're loose. I'm gonna call it done for now for the off-roading because now I'm irritated, but we're gonna do a little fishing, try to relax, and then I'll mess with the struts when I get home, tighten them up, because for some reason that shop can't fucking install its suspension correctly. And I'm not gonna say no names because they worked with me to get the CV fixed, but yeah, so stupid. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna do some fishing.